Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can create this mock-up design for yourself, for your client. Maybe you are a developer or you have an agency. You can create this type of mock-up using AI tools. You don't need XAMPP, Figma or any tools, just you need AI. So in this video I will show you how I use ChatGPT and Claude, because Claude are very good at designing mockup. So if you look at, I create my entire SaaS platform design, a mockup design, because right now I'm building my own startup, so that's why I need. So this is my platform, and you can see this mockup is totally you can like, it's not a design, it's like prototype design. So here you can click and show your client, okay, like this. So yeah, and yeah, so this is the model. If you click on it, you can see the model, all the changes, right? And yeah, so yeah, you can create by your for yourself as well as your client or maybe your team, right? So you can see all the stuff. And then, so this is a fully prototype version. You don't need to create like in Figma, but you, yeah, Figma also provide the AI tool, AI features, but for that you have to pay. So guys, if you look at, I use ChatGPT to create a prompt. If you look at, my prompt is very big, right? Because AI works better if you give the detailed prompt. So this is my if you look at, this is my ChatGPT account, and yeah, so I have Go. If you don't have Go, yeah, it's totally okay. You can also generate in free tier. So yeah, so this is my prompt. Okay, so like I have a context, right? So in this scenario I just create prompt. So my prompt, if you look at, I show you my first prompt, right? So for example, let's say my prompt, so I says, hey, I want a design my collab page, and based on my product architecture, can you create a prompt which can explain my collab page in details? So yeah, but you have to provide your architecture. Yeah, so AI can understand what you want. So I already gave my prompt, like yeah. And then you have yeah, then you can get this type of prompt. All right, the more detailed the prompt is, the better AI can grab your context, and based on it they can create. And then what you can do after getting that prompt, you have to use Claude. So if you look at, I just paste the entire team prompt, and then if you want to refactor from here, you can also refactor, hey, just follow strictly my text or my prompt. Then it takes some time, and then you can get okay, you can get this type of mockup page. You have to tell a mockup, otherwise Claude give you the code. So you have to say, I don't want code, I want a mockup page. Then you have to download, like from here, if you want to click, so here you can get things, and then from here, yeah, you can publish, but here you have to download. And then once you download, then from here you can click on it, and then you can see on the browser, and then you can send to your team or maybe your client or your agency. Maybe you are a freelancer, right? So yeah, and guys, I don't know how to use the Figma, right? So as a developer, my my main work is like working on development. But let's say if I'm a solo founder, so I have to hire some designer. Right now you don't need that. So like, you can ask AI, hey man, just create this thing, but you have to say clearly what you want. So that's why I love AI. Right now I'm building my own platform, like own SaaS platform, but using AI. If you look at my use case, like I create all the dedicated use case. So that's why over the time, how many chat or how many message I ask AI can understand my previous context. Right. So that's why I have. So this is a in this project I can only ask about AI or research, and then a particular this is a prompt project, right? Then you can get exactly the output you are expecting. So this video just I am telling you, just use not only in this, just create a design or mockup page. You can use pretty much for anything, for your business campaign, or maybe your marketing, or maybe use the analyze. So yeah, so for that, if you like this type of content, just give me comment, or you can like if you think I'm just giving the valuable things. So far, thank you so much for watching my content.